Wala tayong utang. We do not owe anything sa Amerikano. Paid for na lahat yan. With our lives and with our resources and everything, including our independence. Now, to a certain extent, itong sovereignty ng Pilipinas, medyo, there's not only a dent, but a little fracture. Because no right-thinking nation would allow military forces in their land. So, bakit tayo palaging utang na loob kung ano ng Amerika, basta ibibigay na lang natin? Clark, long time ago nawala. Subic nawala. Na anong pinagpalit na rin? Military bases all around the country. What are those? Bases. Like Clark Base and the Subic Base. Ito mas matindi kapalala all over the country. Nandyan sila.